This is the dinghy that came with our boat when we bought it. It's a West Marine 310. It has several issues, including many patches, glue coming undone, and won't hold air more than a couple of days. So after a few weeks, we decided maybe it was time to buy a new one. So we're on the hunt for a new car for our boat. Stripping down our old dinghy. It's a West Marine 310 Hypalon from 2010. We're going to take it to our storage unit we have here till we go home at Christmas, and then taking it back home to Kentucky to our son. And then we're off to pick up our new dinghy. So, just getting everything secured so we can run up to the storage unit with it.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights
down. We're good.
Yeah. Then we can kind of lean it over and take the back end screw. Sit and lean over and take that way. metal clip down there for hooking and towing and for a throttle. It's a Zodiac. We're here at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, but we are shopping for a new dinghy. We're currently at the Zodiac tent. Really like this different color blue. We finally get someone to come talk to us to help us on this boat to get some pricing and specs. It has the 17-inch tubes, it's Hypalon, aluminum bottom, with all the features with it. It was going to be about $6,500, $6,800 to purchase this boat at the boat show. I really like the blue, but this was our first stop, so we went on to the next. Rivet, Hypalon, aluminum hull. It doesn't have your throttle hookup on the front. It has that one, but it doesn't have the two that on the side to hook you a throttle to.
Oh, the outside one?
Yeah. Has a 10-year warranty on the hull, 3-year on the Achilles Hypalon, and a 5-year on the Orca Hypalon. And so this is last year's model, and the new model has this bow step on it. So that's the difference in another handle. So just wanted to give that information. Since this was only a 9-foot version boat, we headed on to the next tent, which is Flex Boat, and we really like the Flex Boat.
Stainless steel and starboard. I mean, nothing's going to go bad.
Good rubber right there for plastic dinghy. I like that.
Now, the only thing is I place to store it. So this does manage to store here, or it'll fit in the seat. But
on that boat, it would be a little different place to store it.
What you could do is get like one of these straps maybe, and find maybe strap it to the side, like the old paddle or something.
Yeah.
Or even use the same.
So you could still drill that here on the back side.
Probably want to get it up high. Maybe even use the same bolt patterns there.
I would, go use that right there.
This is a shorter transom.
Meet our new car. It is the Flex Boat SR10, and they installed an anchor spot for our row in the front of the bow locker. And this shows all the information and specs on the SR10 from Lifeline and from Flex Boat. Sitting waiting on the delivery company to bring our new dinghy to us. We're at Curry Park in West Palm Beach, and this is part of Lake Worth. Lake Worth Inlet is just up that way. You did park in a puddle. This is our new boat.
Have a seat for you.
She is all deflated so she can ride and tied in. So she can ride. We've got a blanket in here we got with us to keep the sharp edges on. We'll air back up once we get to the boat. Off we go. Now this is how we got our old dinghy to the truck, was using one of these buckets, so we naturally assumed we could take the new dinghy to the boat with one of these buckets. The buggy. Back further. There's a hard hit on our bottom of our dinghy. Try to get it back up, but the buggy just keeps sliding out from under us. So we decided we need to get some help. We do finally get it loaded up on a buggy and all the way down the dock to our boat. Took almost 4 people to get it done. This boat weighs about 150 pounds. So this is the process of me getting it aired back up so we can get it in the water and back to the back of our boat. Our new flex boat. It's a SR310, so it's a 10-foot with 17-inch Hyperlon tubes. So now we're going to try to set her in the water. Should be interesting. Hopefully can bomb those birds. We just watched this yesterday. Now that the boat's in the water and around to the back of the boat, it's time to get it on the davits. So Dwight is building a bridle system to hook our hoist to off the davits and get it up out of the water. excited to take our new car out for its first test drive. But we're going to have to wait for some weather to clear that's coming in first.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate, and my heart is made of dust and grain, and spoiled champagne.